So, if your sleeping bag busts a zipper while you're on the road, what do? Do you A, cry like a little bitch? Oh, my trip is ruined. Everything is ruined. It was all so perfect and everything was going so grand. And then my zipper busted out of my sleeping bag and everything got ruined. Now the creepy crawlers and critters and kookaburra birds and giraffes will all crawl into my sleeping bag while I'm trying to sleep because the zipper is busted and everything is all ruined. Or do you B, take that big wad of money you got stashed and go buy a new one? And if your answer is B, then turn this fucking video off because it's not for you. Or do you C, get a bunch cheap ass twine, one steady, very sharp blade, and you do some motherfucking knot tying all the way around that sumbitch like you own it. If your answer was C, fucking right.